With a light in the window for me.
Hey guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how to make CraftyFoxe's GP7 build into a high hood unit. The link to his video and channel are in the description. Hope you enjoy the video. I just have to copy the engine over, and then we should be all set. The first thing that you want to do is remove all of the carpet and the buttons off of the hood, then raise the hood up until it is the same height as the cab roof. You should also keep the iron trapdoor on top. I accidentally deleted it. Once you have completed that, knock out the block one down from the top and place a top oak slab in its place. Then add a stone button to the front of the top block. Add an oak fence gate right above the pre-placed ones and open it. Next, add a dark oak sign to either side of the nose we have just created. Now, add an oak button to the block between the two slabs in the center, and add another button above the sign on the left side. And an acacia button in the center. Now add acacia buttons on both sides of the hood, diagonal from each other like so. On the blocks next to the iron trapdoor, add a row of 2 red carpets going towards the front. Now for the horn fixture, just slide it forward until it is on the block directly in front of the trapdoor. And just like that, now you have successfully converted CraftyFoxe's Florida Central GP7 chop nose into a high hood. In the next Minecraft video, I will be showing you guys how to reskin this engine into various Boston and Maine paint schemes. The link to CraftyFoxe's tutorial is linked in the description. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed. See you all next time.